Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of eating more plant-based foods. Plant-based foods are foods that come from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and oils. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and phytochemicals that can help prevent and treat various diseases and improve your overall well-being. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the amazing benefits of eating more plant-based foods and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Benefit 1. One of the main benefits of eating more plant-based foods is that they can lower your risk of chronic diseases. Plant-based foods can help lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and inflammation levels, which are all linked to various health problems. For example, studies have shown that people who eat more fruits and vegetables have a lower risk of developing high blood pressure, stroke, and coronary heart disease. Similarly, people who eat more whole grains, beans, and nuts have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes and colorectal cancer. Plant-based foods can also help modulate your immune system and prevent oxidative stress and DNA damage that can lead to cancer and other diseases. Benefit 2. Another benefit of eating more plant-based foods is that they can improve your digestion and gut health. Plant-based foods can provide you with enough fiber and probiotics to support your digestive system and gut microbiome. Fiber is the indigestible part of plant foods that can help you feel full, regulate your bowel movements, and lower your cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Probiotics are the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and help you digest food, produce vitamins, and fight off harmful pathogens. Plant-based foods that are high in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Plant-based foods that are high in probiotics include fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and tempeh. Benefit 3. A third benefit of eating more plant-based foods is that they can enhance your mood and mental health. Plant-based foods can provide you with essential nutrients and phytochemicals that can affect your brain chemistry and neurotransmitters and influence your mood and mental health. For example, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamin C, folate, and carotenoids, which can help reduce stress, depression, and anxiety. Whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and selenium, which can help improve your cognitive function, memory, and learning. Nuts, seeds, and oils are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help prevent and treat mood disorders, such as bipolar disorder and schizophrenia. Plant-based foods can also help balance your hormones and regulate your sleep cycle, which can also affect your mood and mental health. So, these are some of the benefits of eating more plant-based foods. As you can see, plant-based foods can help you lower your risk of chronic diseases, improve your digestion and gut health, and enhance your mood and mental health. They can also provide you with a variety of flavors, textures, and colors that can make your meals more enjoyable and satisfying. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite plant-based foods and how you like to prepare them? I would love to hear from you and learn from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.